Alden Richard update na spotted si Alden kay Mark Sullivan na nagpasukat siya dyan. Sabi dito sa post niya, meeting with Alden Richards. Ang gwapo pa nga na sinusukatan, no? Yun, no? Saka ito pa, spotted din si Alden sa isang restaurant. Nagpa-picture pa nga kay Alden ang mga crew. Yun, no? Isang restaurant, yun, no? Saka ito pa yung mga video ni Alden. Nakarang event ni Alden. Ang gwapo pa nga ni Alden, no? Kasi mama din nasa likod niya. Saka yung McDo ni Alden. Yung nag-motorcade siya sa grand opening ng McDo niya. Masaya yung mga fans niya. Yung nadungog yung bagong McDo ni Alden sa Santa Rosa. Ito yung speech niya din
ng Santa Rosa, because this is an area filled with heritage and history, and we're just so blessed that we were able to put up this store. So I'd like to read this short speech that I prepared. So today is a very special moment for all of us as we officially open McDonald's Santa Rosa Bayan tomorrow. Proudly recognized as the 5th heritage site of the Golden Arches Development Corporation. The store stands on ground rich with history, culture, and community spirit, and today it becomes a place where generations can continue to gather, share meals, and create new memories together. We thank, of course, our GABC family, Ma'am Margot, Ma'am Beck, Ma'am Joanna. Maraming salamat for the continuous trust. I never really imagined that my journey and my story with McDonald's will come this far. So this is our second branch right now, Ma'am Margot. Still, our memory together po na nag-uusap pa tayo sa assistant managers meeting before I became an ambassador, third owner operator, of course, with the guidance of Ma'am Beck and Ma'am Joanna. It really humbles me and gives me more motivation po to do better in the field that I'm in right now. So maraming salamat po. Siyempre gusto namin pasalamatan din po ang aming mga partners, of course our hardworking crew who's here today, and the local job.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard the Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.